Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's select the settings. Now from the list of all the settings, select General, and here you will notice Language and Region. Here select iPhone language, so the first tab, and come along with whole list of languages, select the one that you would like to have your device in, and let me pick, for example, Croatian. Change to Croatian one more time. And now wait a couple of seconds until this language is set up. And that's it. As you can see, the whole device is in Croatian, so you can use it in your preferred language. Then if you'd like to go back to English, or if you'd like to change language one more time, select the general settings one more time. This is the icon. Then go to language, here it is, pick iPhone language, and go to the language that you would like to have. So in my case it will be English one more time. Pick go back to English and wait a couple of seconds until your device is updated. So as you can see, now we are back in English, so everything is in this language, and that would be all. This is how you can quickly and easily change language in your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.